there, fellow foodies and health enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 herbs that will take your cooking and wellness to the next level. From classic favorites to hidden gems, let's dive into the wonderful world of herbs. Herb number 10, thyme. Coming in at number 10, we have thyme. This versatile herb is a staple in many cuisines, adding depth and warmth to soups, stews, and sauces. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. Herb number 9, oregano. At number 9, we have oregano. This pungent herb is a favorite in Mediterranean cuisine, adding a punch of flavor to pizzas, pasta sauces, and salads. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help boost your immune system. Herb number 8, sage. Number 8 takes us to the wise and wonderful world of sage. This herb is a natural brain booster, improving memory and cognitive function. It's also a great addition to stuffing, sausages, and roasted vegetables. Herb number 7, parsley. At number 7, we have parsley. This fresh and flavorful herb is more than just a garnish. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and can help lower blood pressure and improve digestion. Herb number 6, rosemary. Number 6 brings us to the fragrant and fantastic rosemary. This herb is a natural stress reliever, improving mental clarity and focus. It's also a great addition to roasted meats, vegetables, and breads. Herb number 5, basil. At number 5, we have the sweet and savory basil. This popular herb is a staple in many cuisines, adding flavor and aroma to pesto, pasta sauces, and caprese salads. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce stress. Herb number 4, cilantro. Number 4 takes us to the fresh and feisty world of cilantro. This herb is a natural detoxifier, helping to remove heavy metals and toxins from the body. It's also a great addition to Mexican and Asian dishes, adding a burst of flavor and freshness. Herb number 3, dill. At number 3, we have the bright and cheerful dill. This herb is a natural digestive aid, helping to soothe stomach issues and reduce bloating. It's also a great addition to pickles, salads, and fish dishes. Herb number 2, mint. Number 2 brings us to the cool and refreshing world of mint. This herb is a natural breath freshener, helping to reduce bad breath and improve oral health. It's also a great addition to teas, cocktails, and desserts. Herb number 1, turmeric. And finally, at number 1, we have the golden and glorious turmeric. This herb is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce pain and improve joint health. It's also a great addition to curries, soups, and golden milk lattes. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 herbs that will elevate your cooking and wellness game. Remember to always choose fresh, organic herbs whenever possible, and don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors and combinations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.